Hello everyone. Good morning. Happy Monday to all. It's breakfast time. Our breakfast for today is papaya, Carabio papaya from Mexico. Carabio papaya from Mexico. Let's have some papaya for breakfast. It's good for breakfast. Papaya Carabio from Mexico. Let's eat, and very sweet papaya from Mexico. Let's have some papaya, everyone, and very sweet is Carabio papaya from Mexico. So make a let's shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello to all. Happy Monday. It's March 24, 2025. So happy Monday to all, and let's have some papaya. So thank you for watching, and God bless. As if you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, subscribe, please don't forget to pull the notification bell, hit all for more updated for the next vlog and the next video for you to watch. Don't skip ad, and please, if you have a phone, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you, and God bless. Is heart-shaped papaya. Love you guys, and thank you for watching. And shout out to all the silent viewers, silent subscribers. Hello, and hello to all. Hello everyone. Happy Monday, and good morning here in the US, in Maryland, USA, and good evening in the PI, and good afternoon somewhere wherever you are in the whole world. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Sa man tayo naroon ng mundo, mabuhay po tayong lahat. Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. So wherever you are, stay safe as always. God bless us all. Thank you for watching, and see you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you, and God bless you all.